Hello from Gill Welding and Fabrication. We've got something we'd like to introduce to our viewers. This is basically my personal truck, and this is something that we want to showcase a lot of the different welding things that we do, and performance, fuel injection, electronics, and just general overall race car style fabrication. We call this truck Warhammer. That's its affectionate name that we've given it. And what we want everybody to do is basically to kind of watch the transformation of the truck. On the truck, you can see it's short bed. It's Slant 6, which I'll open the hood here in a minute. It's a manual transmission truck, which I want to keep it that way all the way through the drag racing portion of it. Right now, it's just kind of a little bit ratty as far as the everything goes. I got the truck for cheap with some traded parts and a little bit of cash, and we plan on making it pretty fast. We already have the wheels for it. I just haven't got the tires set up and don't have everything lowered down like I'd like. It is actually considered an antique auto now, so it'll be something that I'll drive to shows, drive to the drag strip, and really that's about it. Maybe once or twice on the weekend. But 90%, I'd say, I don't know if I should say 90, but I'm going to say 90% of this truck will be drag race, even though it's going to be for the street. It'll get probably tubbed inside here. The floor, of course, you can see is rotten on it, and I've already been cutting section of that out of it, sections. Just like the truck sits, with manual transmission, Slant 6, short bed truck. This truck with me in it weighs 3,400 pounds, which was astounding to me. I thought it was going to weigh less than that, but it's going to have to go on a diet along with me. Now you can look inside right here. Basically, I'll get a cage in it eventually, and I'll do a little bit better on the strap-in portion of the seat belts. It'll get another strap across the top. But the factory manual transmission will run for now, and then when we need to upgrade to go faster as the truck gets faster, then so be it. This will be a fuel injected, turbocharged, intercooled Slant 6, and we're looking to put as many of our tricks that we know how to do to make a solid. We want a solid, if we can get it, 600 horse in this truck. That may sound like a lofty goal, but it doesn't really bother me to think about it. We'll show you how ratty it is under the hood. I've already started to do a few things to it. I've cut some things out. This will all be trimmed in, make it look nice. I'm actually gonna, work with it, because you can cut on this truck all day long. It's beat up, so why not just go ahead and have some fun with it? All this rust and stuff, I'll trim that stuff out and get it fixed up. And there it is in all of its glory. Won't look anything like that when we're finally done with it. It'll have Mustang 2 front end. We'll go to probably a regular rack and pinion like you'd have out of a Mustang 2, probably a Flaming River or something like that. We'll get rid of anything in here that's heavy. Everything must be manual. There'll be no power steering. The crazy thing about it is I would like to be able to take people with me when I drive around, and it's very possible that it may have an air conditioner on it, which I know that sounds crazy, but hey, whatever. But this is Warhammer. You'll get to see a whole lot of things done to it, and we hope that you follow along, and we'll show you how to do a couple of the different things, and you'll see some of the products that we sell and products that we make, and we're going to implement them in this truck, and we're going to see how fast we can go with it.